Video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft PowerPoint Online effectively. This tool is an excellent resource for creating visually engaging presentations and is available for free through your web browser. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll want to head over to the PowerPoint website. Simply type PowerPoint Online in your browser and select the top link, which should lead you to the official Microsoft PowerPoint page. Once you're there, log in with your Microsoft account details. If you don't have an account yet, setting up a new one is pretty straightforward and will open the doors to a suite of other Microsoft tools as well. With logging in out of the way, it's time to open your presentation. You can choose an existing PowerPoint file from your OneDrive storage or create a new one from scratch. The online interface mirrors that of the desktop version quite closely, which should make it familiar if you're used to working with PowerPoint. Next, let's move on to the key feature of inserting elements into your presentation. We'll start with the Insert tab. Clicking on this option opens a new range of possibilities where you can add everything from photos to charts and more, enriching your presentation with visual aids that captivate your audience. Within the Insert section, you'll find a lot of tools, but today we'll focus on adding pictures. Press Pictures, and this will instantly give you an option to incorporate images into your slides. Whether it's for enhancing attractiveness or reinforcing a point visually, inserting pictures is crucial. Selecting pictures presents you with further choices, including using files from your device. Click on this device, which is an intuitive way to bring in images that you have stored locally. You'll be prompted with a dialog box from where you can navigate through your folders to find the perfect image. This feature is especially helpful if you're like me and keep a curated folder of images ready to go for different presentations. Remember, while using PowerPoint Online, your changes are often saved automatically. However, it's always wise to double check and manually save once you've completed all your changes, ensuring nothing gets lost in case of connectivity issues. So that's a brief guide on getting started with Microsoft PowerPoint Online. By following these steps, you can easily create, edit, and enhance your presentations right in your web browser. Thanks for watching, and have fun crafting those compelling presentations.